In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a page in Webflow. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, this process is straightforward and incredibly useful for those moments when you need to replicate a page design without starting from scratch. So, let's dive in. First, head over to Webflow by typing into your browser's address bar. Webflow's homepage is a hub for creating custom websites effortlessly. If you haven't already signed up, you'll need to do so. Click on the It's Free button prominently displayed on their homepage. You can create an account using your email and password or conveniently sign in with Google, depending on your preference. Make sure to set a strong, unique password to keep your account secure. Once your account is all set up, navigate to the Webflow editor. This is where all the magic happens. On entering, look towards the left-hand panel and click on Pages. Here you will see a list of all the pages that you've created in your project. Select the page that you wish to duplicate. This part is quite simple, just hover over the chosen page and you'll see an edit icon appear. Click on it to access the page settings. In these settings you'll find various options, but what we're looking for here is the duplicate option. Click on it and this will initiate the page duplication process. With the duplicate option selected, you will now be prompted to type in a name for the newly duplicated page. Choose a name that clearly identifies the page's purpose or content to avoid confusion later on. After naming, you might want to add more information in the provided fields, adjusting details as necessary to fit the purpose of your new duplicate page. Once you have everything ready and you're happy with the setup, click on Create to finalize the duplication process. It's always good to go back to your pages list to ensure the new page has been successfully created. Just browse through your list to make sure everything looks as it should. Finally, don't forget to publish your changes. Click on the Publish button found at the top of the editor screen. This will open a dialog to select the domains you wish to publish to. Make your selections, then hit Publish to selected domains to ensure your website's latest iteration goes live. After publishing, you can exit by clicking Close. Ensure to check if everything is displaying as expected on your live site. And that's it, you have successfully duplicated a page in Webflow. Thanks for following along and happy designing.